all met up near the Nebraska-South Dakota border for a weekend of turkey hunting near the Missouri River. We enjoyed the cabin, the lake, the campfires, and lots of good food. We roosted birds each night and set up underneath them each morning. But by day 3, none of us had yet filled a tag. Gavin and I met up to try some birds that he'd heard gobbling that morning. We saw 2 toms cross the road, so we split up and I came in from the north, Gavin from the east. Somewhere between he and I we heard a gobble, so I started softly purring and clucking. They got pretty fired up, so I snuck over to a clearing and put out a hen decoy, and then set up in the shade of a cedar tree.
Hey. Yeah, dude. Freaking awesome. Yeah. I'll show you. Come over here. Holy crap, this is a heavy bird. Okay, bye. I called to tell you where I was and he gobbled. And I looked and he was right there 3 minutes ago, so I'm gonna run set this decoy out. I'm gonna sit right here and then I'm gonna fall back and just call. Yeah, buddy. Heck yeah, dude. That worked exactly as I was hoping.
Nice job.
Holy cow, dude. Oh, man, that feels good.
Oh, he hung up right there, just like through those deals there, and I couldn't see him.
When I started purring, did he stick his head out? Sweet. God, I figured he was hung up because you took forever. Do you want to hear what's cool? You were sitting in the exact same spot that I was sitting when I shot mine. Exact same spot. What's that? Right here. They came up here together, and I hit the first one and he dropped dead because I was right there, and this guy ran down that way, and I just waited. Like, I went and grabbed my bird, but then I just waited for you to get here so we could...
Got back there and saw him.
What's that? Well, I was waiting for you. He stuck his head up, so I just froze. And then...
I was way back in the middle of this thick crap, just set up right in the middle where I had shooting lanes, thinking, I mean, they're gonna run that way.
Yep. The sun's pretty bad, dude. We might need to
Somewhere else.
get a better pose. Ready? The edge of the field, I don't know if you can see it there.
Yeah.
But I was up on the edge of the field when I yelped, and I heard him gobble way down there by you, and that's when I texted you and said...
They honestly, at one point, they sounded real close to me. And I'm
Really?
200 yards that
Well,
way.
they started coming this way, and so I came down here, and I put the decoy up, but I didn't know if I had time to actually put the stick in, so I just set the decoy on the grass, and it ended up falling over. So when I shot mine, the decoy was on its side. Yeah. Just grab your gun like you're shooting. Just, it's the whole, like, these two birds were shot out of the exact, like, your knees were exactly where my knees were.